Hi everyone! Good afternoon! Tara, samahan niyo po ako. Magluluto po ako today ng pork apritada. At ito po yung mga ingredients ko. Ayan. Nagpainit na po ako sa kawali at maglalagay tayo ng oil. Ayan. Now, it's already hot. So, let's start and put the ginger. This one to remove the, what you call that? Yung langsa ng karne. Onion. Ito, garlic, nag-loading na po. Our main ingredients, the pork. May kasamang buto. Ayan, mas ng buto. Lalagay tayo ng magic syrup and konting pepper. Ayan. At haluin na lang natin. So, kamatis. Pagkatapos, haluin natin ito at tatakpan para kusang lumabas yung juice ng karne. Ayan. Tatakpan natin for 5 minutes. Ayan. Puno na. Lalagay na natin ang potato, patatas. And mix it. Yan, haluin lang natin maigi, mix well. You can see this one, it's the juice of the meat. I did not put any water for now. You can see. And now, let's put the carrots for a while. Let's put a tomato paste, 2 spoons. 2 or 3 spoons. Depend on the, it's depend on you. Right. So, it depends. I put 3 spoons of tomato paste. Mix it. I already done mixing and I put bell peppers. Ayan. Mix again and let's put water and cover. Haluin natin, mix little bit and cover till it's boiled. And before I forget, we have one ingredients. Ayan, and raisins. I don't know, I like to put raisins and mix it. Boiled for 5 to 10 minutes. And check if the meat is ready and done. Ready na po ang ating pork apritada. Ayan. Nilagyan ko ng maraming sabaw para kay Nicole. Ayan. Sarap! Kain tayo! Thank you for watching!